Hi, my name is Kinsey and I will be doing this egg. I hope you enjoy this. Let's go on.
Cutie.
It's a SpongeBob egg. Tomorrow's Easter. Just past April Fool's Day.
Tuesday afternoon. Now, when we get into summer, you were going to say it doesn't feel humid at all, but it's our first day where it's going to start to feel a little humid outside during the afternoon. Wednesday, a better chance of shower is cooler, high of 64. Little chilly on surface.
You can see the wrapper. What we have is here. We have SpongeBob and Patrick. We have SpongeBob stickers. That head was SpongeBob. Come in! Come in! Oh! Amy, yeah, it's Amy. Amy.
How are you feeling, Kinsey?
Good.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you? Do you already found eggs?
No, this, I bought it today from the dryer.
Making it anyway. We had a
That's,
disaster after I picked them up. And I'm holding the bag. I guess their container down here, like this, it made the lid come up. Spilled all over my purse. Inside.